What's going on, guys? So in today's video I am going to show you how you can reset your Roblox password without using your email. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, let's go ahead and open up a web browser and go to roblox.com. Now in here you need to log in, and once you are in the login page you can click on forgot password or username. So it is going to take you into this page. Now all you have to do is click on use phone number to reset password. Now here, if you attached your phone number to your Roblox account, this is going to work very easily for you. Now all you have to do is enter your phone number in here. And after that, click on continue. Now you are going to receive a code on your mobile device, and all you have to do is copy that 6-digit code in here and click on verify. After that, you can follow the prompt on screen and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.